Now I will show you how to create a female character. Basically the principle will be the same, just simple geometric forms. So let's start. So first group the male character, Ctrl+G and move it here. Now create the rectangle, and that will be the basic shape of the head. Use skin color for that and make the rectangle rounded. Cool. Create the circle, it will be the eye and it will be the black. Duplicate it, just hold Alt then Shift and move it here. And make it central. Okay, something like this. Now we will create the ears. Hold L on the keyboard and draw the first ear. I will use dark skin color for it. Move it here and send to back. Basically the process is the same as we did with the male character. Okay, something like this. Copy it with Ctrl+C and paste with Ctrl+F. Hold Shift and move it here. Okay, beautiful. For the mouth I will use semicircles. So first I will create a white circle. And then I will create one more rectangle and cut this upper part of the circle. Cool. Move it here. Select these points here and make it rounded. Okay, something like this. Okay, now in this part we will already start with the details. So first I'll create one circle, it will be skin color. Okay, then go here into colors, use SMYK or RGB. It will be something like a red. Something like this. Okay, move it here and here add shadow for the head. Copy the basic shape of the head, something like this. Copy it one more time. Make it darker a bit. Then select the copied shapes and use minus front tool. In the process of creation a female character, the most important part is the hair. So basically the hair will make a difference between male and female character. Okay, so the first part of the hair will be one big circle. And it can be orange as well. Okay, move it here, something like this. Copy it with Ctrl+C, paste with Ctrl+F. Move it here, then group it. So go into Pathfinder and use Unite tool. Then select the basic shape of the head, duplicate it. Use the white tool, ungroup and delete everything except this part here. Then I will create one more rectangle, it will be orange, like this. And send to back. Okay, as you can see, we created the female character. And instead orange color for the hairstyle, I will use black. Okay, something like this. So I will make her even elegant, and I will do that with the tiny neck. Something like this. Send to back. Okay, now I'll create a shadow of the hair. So first copy the basic shape of the hair. Move it here, make it darker a bit. And send to back. Okay. I will copy this part of the hair, move it here, something like this. Make it darker a bit. Cut it with Ctrl+X, then go here in the basic shape of the hair, paste it with Ctrl+F. Copy the basic shape of the head with Ctrl+C, paste in place with Ctrl+F. Then select the copied shape together with the shadow. And use the white tool. Delete everything except the shadow. Okay, so we just finished the head of the female character. Now the body. Okay, cool. Here we will draw the rectangle. Something like this. Then select this point here together with this one. Okay. And use the same shape for the lower part of the central body. So duplicate it, change the size and the color as well, it will be purple. Move it here and send to back. I'll change the proportion a bit, something like this. Okay, cool. Here I will create a shadow. So copy this part, change the size, copy it one more time, make it darker, then select the copied shapes and use minus front tool. Cool. Now the arms. So for that I will use the rectangle. It will be darker a bit, something like this. Send to back. And I will select just the upper points and create the shoulder with it. Okay, you can use the same method as we did here, or if you just wanted to use it as an illustrator, this will be much easier. Okay, so here I will create the first arm like this. I will use skin color for it and send to back. Okay, cool. Here I will create the fingers. And I will do that with the rectangles. Copy it. Make this rounded. And use it for the thumb. But it will be darker and in the background. Group it, send to back, copy it, move it here, reflect it by vertical, and find the right position for it. Okay, something like this. It can be bigger or smaller, you decide. Okay, here I can add a few details. Maybe we can add a shadow as well. Group it, send to back. And now legs. So here will be the first leg. Okay, so basically you can create a character 1,000 different ways. I love to play with forms and create something more like cartoony. I think it's more friendly and eye-catchy. Copy the leg, move it here, and I will use darker color for it. And I need to create a shadow for the first one. Create the shadow for the second one as well. Something like this. Arms can be bigger. So I will try to do that. Okay, not bad. Okay, I will copy the leg. And here I will create something like this. Here will be black. And I will create the one semicircle. I will copy it and use the same for the second leg. But the purple needs to be darker a bit. And the hair can be darker a bit as well. I will use the shadow for the female character. Here, if you want, you can add more details, but basically that's it. Now you know how to create the beautiful flat design male and female character.